Has the steering wheel in your Ford Fusion suddenly become difficult to turn or displayed a power steering warning message? Many owners of the 2010 model experience electric power steering issues that can appear without much warning. In some cases, the steering assist may stop temporarily, making the vehicle harder to maneuver, especially at lower speeds. In many situations, a 2010 Ford Fusion electric power steering problem can be related to electrical interruptions, system faults, or steering control issues. Before assuming that major components need replacement, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal steering operation. Number 1. Turn off the vehicle and allow the electrical system to reset for several minutes. 2. Inspect the battery terminals and ensure they are clean and securely connected. 3. Start the engine and check whether any steering warning messages remain. 4. Scan the vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes if a warning light is present. 5. Test the steering response and verify that power assist has returned.